Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off media previews on your X, formerly Twitter account. If you don't want images or videos to automatically appear in your feed, follow these simple steps. First, open the X app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Accessibility, Display and Languages, and then tap on Display. Here you'll find an option called Media Previews. Simply tap on it to turn it off. This will stop media from automatically previewing in your timeline. And that's it. Your feed will now display only text until you choose to open an image or video manually. I hope this guide helped. If it did, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.